Hello guys.
How are you all? So this video is all about the shopping haul. I mean lockdown shopping haul, and I have shopped many products from Purple, and and I have tried some new brands from Purple for the first time. So I thought let me share with you and let me give the honest review about the products. So these are the two packages, and what I really appreciate about Purple, that these guys have done excellent job regarding this, like packaging and all, and they have take care of this, pandemic situations of COVID, and have taken all the necessary measures what to be taken regarding sanitizing all the products, and they have mentioned even, yeah, like this they this see, they have mentioned even this logo regarding they have taken all the necessary norms and steps. So thank you Purple for this, and you have take care of your customers regarding to be secure from this COVID situations. So thanks. So okay, fine, let's check it out what are the products. So yeah, I've already toured the package. So these are some products. Okay, so they have given this invoice, and within this invoice here is the brand logo Purple, and okay, let me tell you why I have short from Purple, because these guys are giving lots of discounts. Like if you will buy like a 2 for 1, if you will buy 2 products they will give you 1 product for free, and if you will buy like in some brands like Purple or like NYB, right? So these are some products and these are some brands for which they're offering some offers. So that's why even I got a text, I mean mail regarding this, regarding the discounts what are being going on. So that's why I grabbed for some of the products. So let me just show you. So first one, let me show you this one. Yeah, so this is Face Canada, and it is a weightless matte finished foundation, and of 18 ml. Okay, it's and what is all about is its anti-aging property, contains natural extract. Wow, that's good. But one thing I really appreciate about the packaging, they have really taken care of. So this is the first product what I have unboxed, Face Canada, and it is weightless matte of finishing foundation, and let me just check just a little bit. Yeah, it's very smooth texture. It have very smooth texture, you can see. And the main thing is, the best thing it seems like that it will suit my skin tone. Yeah, it's really smooth and a very like creamy texture, so it's good. And can you believe what's the price of this small product of Face Canada? It's about 169 rupees. Seriously, please go and grab these offers. It's really good, and it's it's like a daily use product. You can try this one. Then I have this again from Face Canada, and it is the matte sorry, it is where it is, yes, it is matte finish weightless lipstick of the shade 13 Kissed Ruby. And let me just show you again a good packaging. So this is so cute, isn't it? So here it is. Wow. And let me show you the shade. I hope it is visible. and let me show you the shade even. Wow, this is seriously good. This is so good, and I think yes, it will suit my skin tone, and I think it's a very common shade. Many of us, girls, you have to grab it. Can you believe it is only for 254 rupees? Come on guys, go and grab this. It's really good. Okay, so let's come to the next one. This one, this is SQ, what is Stay Quirky. And to be honest, first time I'm using this product. I mean, like it is Longer Love Making translucent powder. Sorry, I mean it's a loose powder. And guys, I haven't ever used loose powder from this brand. I've used loose powder from other brands, but from SQ it's my first time. And why I have purchased it, because they are giving some offers, like 30 or 40% offer, and it cost around nearly about like 200 or 300 bucks between it. I mean 240 or like 250. And see, this is the product. You have to open like this, and you have to tear this. Then you will just dab the sponge or like the beauty blender, and you have to use it. It's very light, and yeah, it's good. I mean, if you will ask me about the price, guys, it's really good. I mean, worthful. Better just use for once, and you can yeah, it's good. And why I have purchased it, because before, let me just tell you one thing, guys. It's really very important. Whenever you will buy any product from like any application, just like Purple or like Nykaa, just check it out, the reviews what other customers have given. You can have idea about. So honestly speaking, this have very good review, nearly about like 4 to 4.2 star. So that's why I've have purchased it. It's really good. Then comes to this. It's a kajal from SQ. It cost me around 189 rupees. And let me show you. This is like this. These guys really have worked so nicely for the packaging of every product. And yes, this is this. And let me just check. This is also so pigmented and black in color, and price is okay, fine, 189 rupees. It's good. Then comes the another one, which is lip crayon, matte finish lip crayon from NY Bay. You can see, right? This is the brand logo. And the color, I mean the shade is maroon, like this. You can see, right? This is the color. It is also very pigmented. I mean, it's okay, fine. And the cost is also very reasonable and very affordable. It is within 200, and it seems yeah, it is like within 200 rupees. So yes, it is for I will recommend it for regular use. It will good. I mean, it will be good. Yeah. Then I have this. It's not I have not purchased it. It is a gift of brand Amsterdam Eye, and shade is Tulip Perfect. So thanks Purple for this lovely gift. Let me check the shade. Wow, it is very creamy texture. It have very creamy texture, and the best part is, just check it out, guys. Can you see it? It's so pigmented. It's really good. I don't know what's the cost is. You can just check in this application Purple. Go and visit it. And the brand is Amsterdam. Logo, let me check. I hope it is visible to you, right? So yes, I love this. And what are the shade? Let me just check. Yeah, sorry, the shade is Perfect Match 11 Burgundy, but it's so good. It's really good. I don't know about the price because it's a gift from Purple, and I have purchased for like 900 and bucks, so it is gift. But really loved it. It's really awesome. So yeah, these are the products what I have shopped from Purple. So it's very cost friendly. It's like within our budget. Girls, just go and grab whatever product you want. You can grab it from Purple. And I personally recommend the Purple because all the products are very affordable, and the best part is just go and watch and grab all the products whatever you want. All are in discounted. So if this video is helpful or not, please don't forget to comment below regarding your experience from shopping from Purple, and let me know if you like this video or not. So last but not the least, stay happy, keep smiling, and stay safe from this obviously COVID. So don't forget to watch this video and like, share, subscribe.